种才地了，我了我个啥？
啊？làm sao？apa vậy？
他只有幾兩啊？佢只有撞我兩天嘅人嘅，佢有佢都mua Andy 套了，我一樣個都俾弄嚟呀，頭先我哋在到Andy 呀。
上的歌音，下多个彩的出息，晒干自些，头个不露真情诺，古萨多路西很诺木，古有鸟个头一草给。晒个容茶，错零错度错呀茶，古萨多路西很诺木，古有这个道一早给，古吉萨贝，古路泡沫，吉萨就。这个一零四个走给路老路上，我这个走些这走给路。Oh
sẽ qua tây cho tụi mua anh chồng đấy à tao học sinh đó là nếu cứ do lại tụi Hmong American Student Association chair ha nếu tụi long cầu tao đi cầu tới sông ha giờ đi sẽ là ba xem long tụi mua mai bị mua啦
Hello， 我想今年日子呀，如果好似我等呢日子 ，OK？
cho bé tù mùa mai mi môi ở con nó có to.
Let's go. Let's be your boy Toxic T. Let's go. We send this pray for a better day. And if we say they say we were born this way, we try to get a living, try to get by in this day. But sometimes we don't realize this thing we gon' face. Growing up, I was a student, influenced through the music, so I use it to adapt the piece that was ruined. So I'm sinning again, I keep the blood litting. The homies still never giving, and they still sipping. I never wanted more, just a peaceful life. I'd rather be poor and be rich on the mic. Speaking to the villains so they won't live the lies. Feed it to the people so they open their eyes. See, we are sinners, sinning to be real. Sinners who sin, just to keep it real. Sinners who been, try to make it in the hills. Sinners who drown in pain and serve out with no help. Yo, let's go. It's gonna be backseat freestyle. Yates had a dream. Martin had a dream. Tupac had a dream. All these rappers think they the L-list. Money chains, throwing up pyramids. They ain't never heard of a real killer verse. All they do is sit with the builder-verse. Goddamn, these rappers broke. Goddamn, these rappers broke. They're rapping with no flows and they're acting like they know. They choking at every word they spoke. With clothes from ugly Gucci store and always talking about big booty. Goddamn, the Miley Cyrus. They kill country vibes with her virus. Then they write their mind, put it in their time, but they still win buying it. See, I be like the mice, so on my rhymes. Ripping up the mirror, plays and rhyme, kamikaze suicide. I move rappers out of my ways. I kill different rappers that wanna penetrate. Bring back the hip hop days, the beat with the renegades. Stepping up into my plate, I'll set you in your place. Never hesitate, damaging your fate. Every rhyme that's been on the stage. Cold blue flames burning all your names. Flow is sane, I can make the lava rain. I'm a prayer saint, poetry made you faint. I'm not a killer, put the pain to vein. Demolish every rapper's in the lane. Yeah. Shout out to my Hmong people. Let me take you through the mind of American. My focus get the war, and Hmong is what I represent. No, I'm not a heaven sin, nor the devil. I'm a go independent, compromising my level. Be free, speak the mind, hip-hop is where to settle. MCs, written rhyme, rappers wanna test those. I never fetch hoes, I'ma never lose, I'ma never die, reborn as a ghost. Everybody better listen harder to their own. Your politicians are fraud, you might as well kill them all. Cast this building to God and burn them all. The guys with the devil on the other side. So you better realize they're faking all the time. Be like water, empty your mind, for again it shine. Camera action in the lights. It's all about the work you put into the mic. We're speaking to your people in life. How many lives you put into these lines? For the artist, press your mind on the beat. All you motherfuckers use a pen and pad and take a seat. How many motherfuckers wanna test? These are better rest deep. Been the six when I set free, I'm sick. This is a motherfucking war. A motherfucking horror core. I'm dashing through your door, stabbing niggas, watching they blood pours. How many skills could you afford to force MC to do more for this culture you adore? Alright, thanks everyone.
Muslim women argument in front.
couples. First couple is Elizabeth and Nestor. Y'all are not. This is a new style. This is a new style with pink trimming. Thank you very much. Our next couple is Elmer and Deja. They're wearing striped Hmong clothes. The striped Hmong clothes is distinguished by the stripes on the arms, and the plackets have red, white, and black stripes that you can see on Deja's outfit. And then the green and red sash is wrapped around her waist. Our next couple is Ku and Tia. They are representing the Green Hmong. Both their outfits has a repeating star motif, and Tia is wearing the rooster comb hat, and her skirt is a printed green skirt. And the men, their pants are worn baggy and wrinkly. Thank you. And next we have Nang and Jennifer. They are representing the Black Hmong. And this outfit is the Black Hmong outfit from Sang Quang, Laos. Jennifer is wearing her outfit has the blue cuff, the purple turban. And Nang is wearing the money bag with a modern color shirt. So now we're ready for our next group. This is our diverse group. We have John. He's wearing a modern Thai outfit that he made by himself. It represents a peacock. The hat is adorned with flowers and feathers. Outfit. It is paired with a green top and green skirt, and she's accessorized it with the gold belt and gold leaf feathers in her hair. Worn
our next group. We are starting with Brianna. She is Sailor Pluto. She draws her powers from the moon in the underworld to create a deadly scream. With her, she has her scepter. She is Kagome from Inuyasha. She's a 15-year-old girl that's been thrown back 500 years to feudal Japan for a fairy tale with her love Inuyasha. She is wearing the traditional Hmong Bong outfit. This is a traditional pants outfit and is distinguished by the blue panels with the center black panel. The headpiece is made of colorful pom-poms and coins in the front. She is wearing a Hmong Thai outfit. And this outfit is distinguished by the dark indigo print. And the jacket has a staircase to the left side that buttons up. And the headpiece is made of black and white, it's called Shicheng trim. And our next collection is from a local Hmong designer, Brandon Yang. And first we have Shua Yang. She's wearing a black baby doll dress with a pinkish red trimming on the sides. With the traditional collar, which is called Datal and Hmong on the back. And now we have Shua. She is wearing a long black cardigan with a pinkish and red trim and accessorized with a belt. And now we're ready for our last collection, which is by another local designer, Bam Moore.
Right, Jacqueline? Yeah!
And this is Jacqueline Jarvis modeling off Bam's prints.
Yeah, Jacqueline! Yeah! Woo! Get it, girl! Woo! Yeah!
coming on to